I'm curious about that call sign. I don't think I've ever heard an R17. Go ahead.
Okay, there's the rig. That's the rig without an antenna. And you can see shielding the OLED takes the noise. Boy, that really quiets things if you shield the OLED. Even a ground. There's the OLED shielded, and you don't pick up the noise. So there's much to be said for once you get the OLED installed to shield it, or to connect some kind of ground wire to it, because there's the ground pin. That sure quiets things. So grounding would really improve any OLED generated noise.
Okay, well, thank you for the 5.9 on that one, and we'll put
That's the station Hawaii.
We will confirm on QRZ. That's the only way the only log I keep. Tony, go ahead.
N6QW here.